Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold and silver. Yesterday as I told, one can stay long above 1710 with the stop loss at 1705, target is 1718. Precisely gold achieved this. Similarly silver also traded with a little, I can say, sideways though. But yes, we have achieved the targets. Now what is going to happen today, which strategy we should adopt in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to listen to it carefully. Do not forget to watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start the day with gold first. On the hourly charts, gold consolidating, taking the support at 1710, getting the resistance here at 1713 levels. Be watchful in between. Yes, any long entry should be good at around 1716 levels. If it trades beyond 1716, we can enter a long entry and then we can consider it as breakout. Beyond that, we can look forward to 1724 and beyond that it will fly high. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic not indicative of anything. MACD trading flat. RSI trading flat here on the hourly charts. Similarly on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation, consolidating and it is looking for a breakout. It is getting, the movement is getting narrowed. Any breakout above and below will be a very good breakout, very strong breakout. I think the breakout should be on the upside right now, but let's be watchful, let's be careful. Not indicative of anything. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is in green. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the story. Look at the candles out there taking the support here at 1710 and the resistance here at 1713. Also it is looking forward to, if you look at these candles, you will find lower higher lows, lower highs and trying to consolidate within these levels. I'll be looking forward to a breakout. Yes, on the downside 1705 is the level which you should be watchful of. Any breakout below 1705 is the only indication where you can go short. Directional movement is willing to cross over for a sell. RSI stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green. RSI trading flat here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the story on the 4-hour charts. The resistance on the upside at 1724 plus level. Directional movement slightly bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green. RSI trading flat. Similarly on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. See these candles, it is trying to trade within this. On the downside, if you look at this, if it breaks past this zone at 1705, yes, 1703 level should provide a support. If it tries to trade in this channel, I expect it to give a breakout. Any good long entry is above 1716. So this is also very clear from me. And if you look at here, on the directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI at the oversold levels. Now when indicators are at bottom or in oversold levels, I expect that probably it may give you a rise, it may give you a reversal, it may give you a bounce back, and hence I'll recommend you to go long. If you see it trading above 1716, go long and then should be considered as a breakout. And 1718, 1724 levels should be the next target. Beyond 1724, we may see it flying high till towards 1732 and then 1740 levels should come into picture. Beyond that also it can rise. See, it is consolidating since 4-5 trading sessions now and it has to give a breakout. We have to be watchful which way it gives a breakout. If it trades below 1705, still it may get a support at 1702 levels. So 1702, 1700, these levels are very strong support now for gold. Any breakout below 1700 will lead to a further fall, and then I'll look forward to 1690 to 1680 levels. In between 1705 and 1716, do not take any position, do not trade. So take your positions accordingly. 1705 to 1716, do not trade. Above and below you can take a long and short entry. Now let's have a look at silver. Similar is the story with silver. You can see here is the high at 1900 which we had seen earlier. Now it is still trying to consolidate and it is giving you lower highs, higher lows. Willing to look forward to a breakout. Yes, you can go long at 1885 levels. Beyond 1885, I'll recommend you to stay long and then one can expect it to fly high. Again, 1900 is the target and beyond that we can see 1910, 1920 levels. At the same time, below 1870 levels, yes, you can go short below 1870 and then I'll look forward to 1860 as a support and then 1850, 1840 levels will come into picture. Directional movement is slightly bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly it is trying to consolidate. Lower highs, higher lows, willing to look forward to a breakout. And the breakout is going to be stronger. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell, RSI trading flat, and on the 4-hour charts too similar is the story. Yes, it is trying to give you a red candle. Lower lows can be seen here possibly. So yes, I'll rather see below 1870. Yes, you can expect it to drop till towards 1860, very good support, and then below that we will see a very good fall on silver. So be watchful here, be careful here. Any long entry I'll recommend is only beyond 1885 levels. Beyond 1885 we can see it rising again till towards 1900, 1910, 1920. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD converging, crossing over for a sell entry, and on the daily charts you can see the movement is still looking forward to a breakout. See, this is the channel which it is created, and that is why I say once it trades beyond 1885, that should be considered as a breakout of this channel, and then one can expect that it may give you higher highs, and then one can expect that probably we may see 1900 plus levels. But remember, see, lower lows, lower highs in last two candles indicates that a breakout is awaited. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. On the downside, 1850 level should be a very strong support. So go short at 1870, and then below that you can expect 1860 and 1850 as a very strong support. And if it breaks below 1850, we can expect it to crash till towards 1820 and 1800 levels. On the upside, if it breaks beyond 1885, go long for 1900, 1910, 1920 levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a strict trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.